A little experiment. The way the soil sample works is that you collect a sample from your soil, you put it in a little box, and you write down what's the soil used for. So in our case, is for garden beds to raise and to grow plants and vegetables. So I'm going to put this right here so you can see. So there's a soil, and they send it to a lab, so which is pretty cool. It's science. So I'm going to show you. Hopefully you can see this document. So as you can see, it's sent to the Mississippi Mississippi State Extension Office, and they do the soil sample. They have a lab there, and you specifically state what's the soil going to be used for. And what they do is they tell you everything. They tell you all the way from deficiencies and areas that you can support your garden. You have to specify exactly what's it for. They have many categories, and in our case it's going to be for gardening. So we'll specify that. The box that we're going to be using are these boxes here. So these boxes, and as you can see, there's a specific document here that illustrates exactly how it works. So we grab some soil from the area, and we want to specify, and in our case I will write down exactly what's it for, and I'll put all the details that are being asked, and we will ship it off, and then we will get a specific report on our soil. We'll know exactly what type of fertilizer we should be using, if we need to add in some potassium, or perhaps increase the level of lime requirements, nitrogen. So it's going to be pretty cool. I can't wait to show you that. All right, so we are using the boxes that are specifically designed for mailing the sample of our soil. So I grabbed 2 different beds. I grabbed some samples. As you can see, we have the sample in the box. We're gonna close it, complete the form, and put the information, and then we will get this in the mail. More than likely their office is going to be reviewing it, putting it in the lab, and sending us a result. We'll share those when we get them.